how to sign up for a Sling TV. Now, the very first thing that you need to do is just pull up any preferred web browser that you can use for you to be able to get here. Just simply type in sling.com. Now, once you're here, these are all the Sling TV services that you can go ahead and try their subscription plans. Now, once you have chosen your desired option, what you want to do is just head directly to this blue highlighted button right here that says sign up, and you will be redirected to creating an account with Sling. So all you need is a working email address, a strong password, billing zip code. Now, billing zip code is going to be used for the checkout page. So if you would like to sign up for Sling TV, it's not going to come for free. You will be providing your billing zip code and your billing addresses and also your payment methods you prefer. Now you'll have to pay for a specific amount of time so that you should be so that you'll be able to take advantage on the features that they're providing you. But of course, before paying it monthly or annually, you will be given a certain period of time for you to enjoy the free trial. Just feel free to cancel it anytime you want if you don't like those features that was given to you. The next thing to do once you have successfully logged in or signed up on Sling TV and you still having issues with your account, now just feel free to go back to the Sling homepage and choose this chat bubble right here for you to be able to get connected with a live customer agent. So that's it. That's the convenient way and that's the easiest way for you to be able to sign up on Sling TV.